How to enable PayPal payments in Wix. So in order to enable your PayPal payments on your Wix, what you can do is you first need to head over right here to your left sidebar, scroll down, and in here you can see the settings option. Once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is you just need to head over and then locate the getting paid option, which is under the finance and payments. So in here, you can accept payments using this way. Now into this, you should be able to see in here the actual payment methods that you utilize. We have in your manual payments as well as PayPal. So in order to enable the PayPal payments, you need to connect your PayPal account through Wix. So head over and click on the disconnect option that you can see right here. Now in here, do take note that in order to connect your PayPal account, you need to have the same email on your Wix to your PayPal. So I have in here my email. You can enter in here your email address, and from in there, head over and click on connect and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to use this. So that's how you enable PayPal payments in Wix. Hope we help.